If you are working but on a lower income, you might qualify for a working tax credit. Let's look at how it works. This credit is government support designed to help low-income households cover the basic costs of living while they are in employment. The primary requirement is your working hours. You generally need to be working at least 16 to 30 hours per week to qualify. It is not just about your hourly wage. Eligibility also considers your total household income, your age, and your specific family circumstances. Remember that a tax credit is more powerful than a deduction because it reduces your tax bill dollar for dollar. By applying the credit, your total take-home pay effectively increases, providing a buffer that helps stabilize your personal finances. Life changes quickly. Always review your tax situation every year to ensure you are receiving the support you are entitled to. Check official government tax portals for the most current rules. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more.